Okay. So hopefully this is only like 4,000 something off on the VIN. And it was a coupe, so like the same as mine, essentially. I don't know how to tell what the options are, but this number is the same. This 284B7AQ006. That's the same as in my car. These two numbers are different, but I don't know what those mean. So hopefully I can just plug this in and it will work again. And then we'll take the other one apart and see what's wrong with it. So I got my new module there. Here's the old one. Okay, so apparently pads. That's disgusting. Huh. Pulls the whole thing off. Interesting. Oh, that's gross. I don't know. You can see nothing in there. This way. That's it on. Okay. I can see nothing on the fish. There we go. Alright, I think we're going to go inside and play with this box. Alright, back inside where it's warm. We can see there is one there. And one there. And that one just broke. Okay, this is fun. I think I got a start on getting this split. Started over here anyway. Oh yeah, look at that. So you got all 4 of these tabs pried out. You can see that. Now we're just going with these guys. Giving it a little pry like see. That seems to be doing the trick. Just this last one that's not cooperating. Oh. There we go. Oh. Oh yeah, boy. Hey-yo. Ah! Probably gonna have to unplug everything to do this. Woo! Yeah. Let me get a picture. First, let's yeah. This part bring you back. The rest of these guys out here. And back again. Ooh. Probably not mess with that. So I gotta go get my meter. Alright, so these are switch, and then these are ground, power, no, power. What I'm looking for is common. So these are the common. So if I make these common, then this relay should turn on these relays. Alright, got this one all back together. That's the original one. That's gonna go with all the rest of my parts. So in review, these tabs get you out of the slots over there on the other side over there, and then somewhere on this, oh yeah, this one's tabs have broke off too. So yeah, those tabs don't work anymore, but There we go, I can put this back in the car. I'm gonna go do that now. Got this cleaned up a bit here. Let's start putting in connectors. I'll do. That's there. Let me get there now. Alright, everything's plugged in. It's really annoying now. There we go. Okay. There we go. You gotta get it all the way over that thing. Whew. Okay. That's in there now. Let's pray it works.